Good afternoon, everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today, as well, I am here to give you something new. As for the last few days, we have been studying tenses. So, today, here comes past continuous. That means work was going on. काम चल रहा था या हो रहा था. Here comes the structure. Subject plus was or were plus main verb ing plus object. So my dear students, this is the structure. With the help of this, we'll be making sentences. Either it is positive or negative or first type interrogative or second type interrogative. So past continuous means work was going on. This is the structure. Was were plus main verb ing. So now let us move ahead. Here I just take some examples to make you understand. Please just have a look. He was playing. He was playing cricket. He was playing cricket in the ground. She was cooking food. Right? Now let's take negative. I was not going to my village. So my dear students, please just have a look. Here I have noted down 3 examples for making you understand about past continuous. At first I have taken he was playing cricket in the ground. That means वह ग्राउंड में क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. सो एज वी पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, क्योंकि बात हम कर रहे हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूस की. तो यहाँ पर देखिए ही हमारा थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, तो ही के साथ हमेशा हम क्या यूज करेंगे, वॉज. और यहाँ पर जो ये प्ले है इसमें आईएनजी लगा दिया, तो क्या बन गया बेटा, ही वॉज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट इन द ग्राउंड. देन हियर कम्स शी वॉज कुकिंग फूड. फॉर she as well we have used was and this is our main verb. तो उसमें मेन वर्ब में हमने ing यूज कर लिया. she was cooking food, she खाना बना रही थी. I was not going to my village. यहाँ पर देखिए ये जो स्टार्टिंग के जो 2 सेंटेंसेस है, मीन्स स्टार्टिंग 2 सेंटेंसेस बिलोंगिंग टू पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. हियर कम्स नेगेटिव. तो देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने ये नोट यूज किया है. I was not going to my village. मैं अपने गांव नहीं जा रहा था. I was not going to my village. Let's take some more examples. They were not doing. They were not doing their homework. We were not helping. We were not helping them. Now, was he attending? Was he attending that meeting? Was she making that painting? Now again, my dear students, please have a look. This time as well I have taken some more examples for making you understand. At first they were not doing their homework. वे अपना होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे थे. So again it is negative in past continuous. Now sentence number 5, we were not helping them. हम उनकी मदद नहीं कर रहे थे. Again it is negative, right? Now sentence number 6, please just have a look. Was is a helping verb used in past continuous. So whenever we people use helping verb at the starting of the sentence, it becomes first type interrogative. I repeat, whenever we people use helping verb at the start of the sentence, then it becomes first type interrogative. So here it is. मैंने यहाँ पर he से पहले was यूज किया है, right? As it is helping verb in past continuous. और हम helping verb सबसे पहले sentence में कब यूज करते हैं? When it is first type interrogative. जब when we people ask question, जब हम question पूछते हैं. तो देखिए बेटा, was he attending that meeting? कि क्या ही उस मीटिंग को अटेंड कर रहा था. तो यहाँ पर ये was आ गया. Then I mean it becomes first type interrogative, right? Again, was she making that painting? क्या she उस पेंटिंग को बना रही थी? So again it is first type interrogative, as I have used was at the very start of the sentence, right? Now let's take some more examples. Why was he writing? Why was he writing that application? How were they? How were they solving? How were they solving your problem? What was he buying? What was he buying from market? So my dear students, please just have a look once again. Again, I have taken some examples for making you understand about past continuous. Why was he writing that application? He उस application को क्यों लिख रहा था? So my dear students, this time it is second type interrogative, as I have used question word at the starting of the sentence. Why? Now here comes, how were they solving your problem? वे आपकी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सोल्व कर रहे थे? How? Again it is second type interrogative. Now what was he buying from market? ही मार्केट से क्या खरीद रहा था? So again it is second type interrogative. So my dear students, this is all about past continuous that we have studied. I believe you must have understood. So in case you find any problem, then you people are free to ask me. You can make your doubts clear. So thank you for the day, and I believe you must have understood. Thank you very much.